Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So to continue the series, we're gonna go ahead and tackle my kitchen today. And you guys are in for a cleaning treat because I stayed up late making some treats and my kitchen is destroyed. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and come along with me. Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome in general. This is my kitchen on an aftermath night of late night baking. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen what I made. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and click down below and you can see the treats that helped destroy my kitchen. I followed two women on YouTube last night and I made Christmas cookies that Anna O'Leary put out and some Christmas crack that Dara from Dara Does Life put out. And they were super easy and now they're like gonna be my new favorite Christmas treats to make. And if you guys don't already know who they are, I will link their channels above in the iCards. I truly recommend checking them out. I love to check in with them and see what they upload on a regular basis. I'm not going to be washing bottles on camera this time, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up my sink, get it all ready, and then I will wash bottles off camera. And also, I'm going to clean out my disposal. I have done this before on camera, but I thought I'd show you guys again because I had a couple people ask me what the product was that I was using in my garbage disposal. I even somehow found some of the Christmas crack in my towel drawer. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up. My counters are pretty messy. I had let the chocolate dry to my counters. I usually cover my counters with parchment paper if I'm going to be working with something like that. But my late night self, I guess, got lazy and I didn't do it. So now I'm reaping with the consequences of having to scrape off dried chocolate from my counters. So I know this video is an extreme clean and I planned on extreme cleaning my oven and my stove grates and showing you guys how I do it using my Barkeeper's Friend. But that morning I realized I am out of Barkeeper's Friend, so I need to go buy some, so I didn't get to actually deep clean my stove. I did give it a good wipe down and I will be deep cleaning it this weekend. Another thing is I'm not going to show on camera me organizing my drawers and stuff because I don't need to. I have recently done it and I will link the video in the iCards above if you want to see how I got my drawers this way because I have recently just done it and honestly they've stayed the way I want them to. But I'll walk you through my kitchen just to show you what it looks like after a couple weeks of me doing it. I have maintained it. This organization that I've done in here has worked out for me. So I will definitely link that above so that you guys can see it. I will ask in the comments below, would you drop a suggestion of how to keep this organized? I just leave it all the time because the pots and pans just don't stay organized. So what do you do with a deep cabinet and big pots? And as you can tell from my pantry, my husband and I are no longer on the keto diet. We stay semi-low carb on occasion, but we have our snacks here and there, so I guess I'll stop talking about my keto diet from here on out because we're no longer really on it. And that's it, y'all. I was so excited to finally get stuff done. I do have a few dishes left to do and put away, but other than that, my kitchen is clean. It's stayed organized over the month period that I have organized it, and I'm super proud of the outcome today. Thank y'all for watching, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and stick around for some more.